So what's your best freestyle trick you can do?
I don't know, I like the inverted jaw. Yeah, spin.
Drop dead.
Full power loop, you know, keep the full throttle open.
Yeah.
It's not bad now, yeah.
So how do you find it? Is it better than analog?
Yeah, well, yeah, give me some time. Who cares? I think I have some vibrations issue after that crash though.
I'd say it will be, because you see it's still a Cineboop,
Yeah,
and like with a light battery, because now it doesn't weigh anything.
still not pixelated up there, yeah. Oh god. Right down here though, yeah. Breaking up over that hill.
Yeah, as soon as I get to that hill, it's breaking up. It's because of that antenna, the one I told you. But overall, like, it's actually picking up fine. It's just that spot there for some reason. DJI does not like trees at all.
What output have you got on this?
So that one, if I'm not mistaken, now is on 1.2 watts.
Oh, sorry.
But antenna on a drone, it's a bit wonky, like, so it does not give you a very good range. Like,
clear it in, it just looks dead. Yeah, antenna damage there.
yeah. Like when you get pixels, it's still fine, because that means that it's still trying to recover it. Like,
What battery have you got on it? 6S?
no, that's 6S battery.
22.5 volts. What are we to land at?
You can go 21.8, I'd say, because I drain it like to bottom, completely bottom, and on 21.8, like, it's still fine. Because it's actually not calibrated correctly, so I don't think it gives you the correct measures as well. Because when you put brand new battery, it shows that it's 24.8 volts.
Oh shit.
It should happens. Don't worry.
That's done.
Take two.
Hold on.
Try from the side. It's not better from the side. Wee!
Yeah, I've been wrapped up now. We're getting it out of there. This is what there you are, yeah. What?
Almost.
Not torque mode out of that, will it?
Come on, guys.
Go man. I had to practice.
Yeah, so on this autumn session, I already smashed my one. Well, it wasn't been that bad.
I never checked for damage. Mine, I was stuck to the tree actually, didn't I? Oh, that blade's actually split, yeah. A little bit of damage ready to come off.
Yeah. So how long you been flying FPV?
About 2 years now, yeah.
And how do you find it? Are you looking for any sort of job with FPV, or do you just for the hobby?
Just for the hobby, I think, yeah, a bit of crack, ripping about, you know.
Cool.
Fly, freestyle and everything. Get you out of the house for a while.
Oh, that's very true. Look at these babies here. Sad story. There's no one else came in today. People are being lazy.